Hey, are you looking for a way to sell your merchandise on your Twitch channel? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create and sell your merchandise on your Twitch channel. And hey, this is easy and it is free, and we'll cover it in less than 5 minutes. So that was a lie. Well, make sure you stay towards the end, because at the end I'll show you how you can link it onto your Twitch channel. So enjoy the rest of the video and let's get cracking. Alright, and let's get to this quickly. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to head over to Teespring. I'll make sure to link it in the description below. So once you have Teespring open, what you're going to do is create an account with them, and in this account you're going to need to create a payout method. So I think you can use Payoneer, you can use PayPal, so whichever one you have set up, link that to your account. Once you have clicked on the start design, you're going to get a whole host of options to choose from. So what I'm going to do is I like tees, so I'm going to grab this and I'm going to start with it. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the style of tee that I want to work with. So I like this premium long sleeve tee, so I'm going to click on start designing. So I'm going to be adding my Slojo gaming icon to this. So let me say add image, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down here till I can find my logo. So I'm going to select a PNG. A PNG is great because the background is transparent, and I'm going to say open. So here we can see that it's just like my plain logo on this white. So what I want to do now is I actually want to make the shirt black. So I clicked on the plus color icon. I'm going to select black here. Done. So now what I can do is I can actually size this to however big I want, and then I can just align it here. So there you have it. Boom, you have your logo on a tee. So what you can also do is now flip it to the back. So let's say you want something else on the back. What you can do now is you say add image. Right, from here, the add image, let's say you want to add a slogan that you have. I have a Kingdom, because remember I'm Kingdom as well, I'm Kingdom Gaming here on YouTube. I'm going to add Kingdom Gaming here. And then what I'm going to do is I've imported it, and I'm going to now resize it here by just clicking on it and dragging. I'm doing all these hand movements like a warrior, and I realize now you can't even see it. But yeah, so I'm just going to click and drag that until it's the size that I want it. And here, what you can also do is you can continue to add. So you can add another one if you wanted to. So let's say you have multiple things that you want to add, and let's say you want this to be Kingdom. Okay, so I've got my logo placed in the front. I'm happy with it. Once you're happy with your design, what you can then do, you can go and head on over to continue, click continue, and it'll then take you to another screen where you can take this design that you've already made, and now you can apply it to different types of merchandise. This is the thing that I love about Teespring. You've just uploaded onto a tee, but guess what? You can take that now and apply it to a hoodie, to a pair of socks, even to a bag, you know, to a tank top. So this is why I say you can choose anything in the beginning. Okay, so let's say now you want to add a hoodie to this. So you're going to click on select styles, and then what you're going to do is just click on the style of hoodies that you want. You can literally select all of them if you wanted to, and then we're going to click done here. We want the hoodies. We want to say we want tank tops, so we're going to select tank tops here, and then you can select all the types of them, and then you're going to say done. See, and on the left over here, what you can do is now you can edit the prices of each one. So let's say this hoodie, you want to change the price of it. You can go into it. You can actually customize the placement of things on it. And here you can select how much money you want to sell it for, how much of a profit you want to make off of it. Let's just go ahead and click continue, and it's going to render. So here we have the list of all the things that we are going to be listing. So once you have it here, you're going to give it a title. I mean, I give it a title maybe like of your Twitch channel name and call it a pre-roll, but I'm going to call it please like and subscribe. And hey, just a reminder, if you're getting any value from this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you can connect with me in the comments below. I'd love to just hang out with you guys. And if you can think of another streamer that maybe needs to see this because they're thinking of adding merchandise to their Twitch channel to take it to a whole new level, why not share this with them and help them build their Twitch kingdom as well? So yeah, we're going to add a bit of a description, just maybe describing a bit about your brand or what it's about, you know, what inspired it. Maybe you can just be like, this is all for the funky people of the funky town, jamming the cyberpunk world, you know. And afterwards, you're going to click on publish listing, and it's going to take a few moments. So I'm going to hit publish listing, and then it's going to prepare your listing. Okay, so what you're going to do now from here is you're going to take this link up at the top here, and this is what you're going to copy, right? Next thing you're going to do is you're going to head on over to your Twitch page. All right, so once you're at your Twitch page, what you're going to do is head on over to about. So we're going now to about. We're going to come down here, we're going to say edit panels, and what you're going to do is you're going to say, now you're going to scroll down to this plus block, click on it, and then say add an image. Now let's go back here. So let's say pick your favorite apparel that you want to be showcased to sell your merchandise, and then screenshot this image. If you're on a Mac, hold on Shift, Command, and then 4, and it should bring up the screenshot utility. You will then find that screenshot on your desktop once you've clicked and dragged. If you are on Windows, you can use the snippet tool. So just type out snippet in here, snipping, and then you can bring up your snipping tool. It's going to look like this, and then what you're going to do is you can just click new quickly, and then what you do is you just drag across over here like this. And what you can then do is you can go file, save as, and you can go to your desktop, just save it to your desktop. And what you're then going to do is over here you're going to click add image. Now you just click on here. Now remember, we saved it to our desktop, and we're just going to click on capture here, and then you're just going to drag it so that they can see it the whole one. And then for the title panel, you can just make it anything. And what you're then going to do is you're going to come over here, remember to grab this link here, say copy, and then you can say paste here. That's where the image is going to link to. You can just give a bit of a short description here, like, hey, if you love my channel and want to support it even more, why not grab a pair of my merchandise. I'm probably not the best salesman right now, but hey, submit, boom, just like that. Now what we're going to do, we're going to wait for that to load. It's loaded now. We're going to come up here, and we're going to untick this, and what you can then do is you can see it over here, remind to sub. And yeah, it is. You can showcase each piece of it as well. This is how I have it for my apparel. And what happens is when people click on the image, it's going to take them to Teespring, where they can simply just add what they want to cart. It's going to show all the other stuff with it as well. You can just they can just click on this, they can say add to cart, they can choose their size, and then proceed to checkout. Boom, you've just made your commission on that. You're selling your brand, you're merchandising your channel, you've now monetized your Twitch channel. You're not relying on subs, you're not relying on cheers or gifted subs. You're not going to seem desperate. You've created multiple forms of revenue, and hey, hope this video added value to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, that means that you'll enjoy this other video which I just did, which covers 5 ways you can make money on your Twitch channel, because you don't need to be affiliated, you don't need to have subscriptions or cheers to make money on Twitch. There are so many ways you can actually make money on Twitch, on your Twitch channel. So make sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.